everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we are off to another, is that a Supra? Yeah, we're off to another meet. Today we're off to the Southeast Drivers meet. I was going to drive, but we decided not to. We're focused on getting some nice footage and stuff. But yeah, we're off to the meet. We're following the Supra down. Well, we're not following, but we've met him on the way. And yeah, we'll see you when we get there. And yeah, we'll get you some nice footage. Alright, we've just met up with the convoy, and there's a Supra and an RX-8 and an MR2, a bunch of other cars. Hopefully you can see, and yeah, we're off down and we'll get some photos and some videos, and hopefully we'll get some good little content. If not, it's been a fun little drive. So we're just pulling into the second services, and some noisy cars, but I'll let George focus on driving. So you'll see some of the photos, some of the videos we got from this little drive down. You need to get yourself on this next run when it comes up again. There'll be a lot more footage, a lot more videos, but it's just a lot of fun driving with some like-minded people, to be honest. So get yourself on it when it comes up.